The Nature Hour with Colin Paul.
Welcome to Colin's Nature Hour. I'm Colin Paul. Today we're going to watch Wiley catch some trout while Pete and I gather some mullein stalks for our primitive fire session. Oh, we're looking at this dead spruce tree. Prime bow drill material right here in these dead branches. Possibly some dried wood up in there too. Maybe we could put together a fire kit with that, Pete. Check out this lichen growing down on the edge of the rock, where no people get to walk and step on it. Like right here. Look at that piece of lichen. It's a large, healthy piece of some kind of flat foliose type of lichen. Growing extremely healthy. Look at it down there. Look how big it is. Check out the size of this one. It's like a piece of lettuce. So this is actually not even attached. It's growing. Look at that. That's a major league lichen. Awesome stuff. Look at that. Touch that. Eat it. This flood washed away a big chunk of the stream bank and flipped it right up. That's what we have here, is a huge root wad of a tree that fell over when all this other debris came and ripped it up, washed away the stream bank here. So it was a big gravel bar with a brush pile behind it. Now it's started to grow in. Soon it'll be covered by grass. Plants will eventually move back in there. We'll have this big brush pile back here, which you can see. We've got some cool little nooks down inside. It's night vision. Yeah, it'd be a nice spot. You could crawl into there. Stay dry. You're right next to the stream, so you wouldn't want to spend too much time under there trying to stay dry. If you're a little squirrel, say a field mouse, looking for a place to stash some seeds for the winter, cozy little spot. I'm going to check out this woodpecker activity over here. Come on. Definitely something's been taking this tree apart. Looks like woodpecker, classic woodpecker activity. Look carefully, we might find what he's been eating, or some scat. Maybe a feather. Oh yeah. Classic pileated woodpecker. Leaves those bathtub-shaped impressions in the tree. Unmistakable. Big dead trees like this are prime wildlife habitat.
Oh no, Oscar. No. Oh, that's nasty. I hope I have a towel to wipe your feet.
That wasn't too bad. It was mostly moss. Yes.
What has happened here?
Interesting. Very interesting. I don't know what's going on. It looks kind of like it's been shredded, doesn't it? Maybe by a bear? Maybe. There's definitely some insect activity going on. See this powder, this black, or this sawdust stuff? That's insect tracks. It's actually insect scat mixed with sawdust. So something, probably a bird was in here attacking these termites, or who knows what. It's got a big knife. There's a scat. Here, I think we could use some of this wood to start a primitive fire if we were in a pinch. pretty dead, dried out, and aged. The right softness. We could take it home and try. Alright, we found some kind of scat here, I think. Mostly hair, a little bit old too. It's going to be hard to get a really good identification. Oh, but look how much of it there is, actually. Oh, look at, all buried under here. Look at that. Oh, that's a beauty. Now, it's pretty long. It's quite twisted in here. But segmented, chunky, very twisted here. And then you have a different sort of consistency here. Boy, really long hairs. Long hairs in there. Not a lot of bone. Twisted, compacted, very compacted. Boy, that's a great scat. Definitely an active wildlife spot.